Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss a range data type, set data type and frozen set data type. So what is range data type? If I want to represent a group of whole number, then I must go for a concept of range. For example, R is equal to range of, I write 10 and just I print R, then it gives me range from 0 to 10, but I want values. I want values from 0 to 10. That is it possible? Oh, what happened? Is it possible? Oh, sorry. So is it possible? Yeah, is it possible if I apply a loop there and if I print their x, then I get the value from 0 to 9. Actually, range function implement all the slicing operator rules that we already discussed in string operator. So if we make the range function from starting 10 to 20, and to print this I just have to apply a loop for x in R, and if I print the value of R, and it gives me a value from 10 to 19. Yes, so basically we use this range data type in loops, for loop, if loop, that we discuss further. So this is all about the range data type. Now we discuss about the set data type. So what is set data type? Set data type is an unordered mutable collection of element where insertion order is not preserved and duplicates are also not allowed, and also it is a heterogeneous, so we can store any value, and it is denoted by curly braces. But remember one thing, the empty curly braces, it gives a type as dictionary, and if we want to make empty set, then we must specify set in front of it, and within in front of set we just have to use parenthesis so that it will create a empty set. And if we check here the type of s, now it will give the output as set. So this is the way how we create a empty set. But to make a set, we just use a curly braces. So here it is heterogeneous, so I write here integer value, float value, and also boolean value. And to access this, there is no insertion order here in set, and also the duplicates not allowed here. So how can I access the element from the set? I just have to apply the loop, that is for x in as print x. This is the only way I can access all the element of set. So here just see one thing that I just already said in the definition, that insertion order is not preserved. I write here 1 5.3 true, and this is the output 1 true and then 5.3. So in set the insertion order is not preserved is proof. So this is all about the set data type. Now let's discuss about the frozen set data type. So what is frozen set data type? It is very similar to set data type. The only difference is that it is immutable. So similarly, we just create the frozen set here, and if I want to convert into frozen set, I just have to write in front of that frozen set and make the set convert into it. And just if we check the type of that is, then it comes out to be a frozen set. And if I want to print the value, then how can I print the value? Just I write the print and print all the frozen sets. In frozen set, all the iterable object it takes as an input and converts them into immutable object, and the order of element is not guaranteed to be preserved here. So this is all about the range, set and frozen set data type. Thanks for watching.